Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this product review video. Appreciate your time and your support. Today we're going to be looking at the Ringke Fusion Matte Clear Case for my Google Pixel 8 Pro. Ringke, live a better day. I'm going to tell you right now, you're going to live a better day knowing you got protection for your investment. Eco packaging. The ultimate experience. Over 60 million people are already using our Ringke products. All the information to purchase the Fusion Matte Clear Case will be down below in the description area. You'll have a link for Amazon and the Ringke website. And you can save 20% off Ringke accessories over at Amazon. Screenshot all that information so you can save. There's a lot to go shopping for. All right, very nice. And remove protective film guide. That's basically that film right there on the inside, and that film right there on the outside. It's that matte finish there. A lot of grip along the sides, a lot of grip. Yeah, that's nice. A lot of flexibility there. Got a lot of protection for the camera bump. Very nice. All right. Power button. Bam. Nice. Volume rocker. Everything responding great as far as the power button, volume rocker. At the bottom, got a cutout for your speaker grill, cutout for the USB Type-C charging port, a cutout for the mic area there, a couple little cutouts along the left hand side for a lanyard if you want to sport that, and you also have that over on the right hand side, and you have the Ringke brand name right in there. It's kind of hard to see. You can see the volume rocker down, up, nicely covered up and protected. And now the volume rocker will be protected, down, up. Power button will be protected as well. Got that ridge textured area there over the top of the power button that's covered up, so you can differentiate the feel of the power button to the volume rocker itself. Up top, got a cutout right there for the other mic. Got your 5G antenna right underneath the top of the case there. Got a lot of protection over that camera bar cutout, with some depth surrounding the temperature sensor there and the flash. And you have a huge cutout surrounding the main cameras there, so you can take great quality pictures and shoot great quality video, but at the same time having that lip protection and depth to protect that area. That is nice. Very, very nice. On the front, I got a Ringke tempered glass screen protector. And you can see that we have plenty of lip at the bottom and up top. Slopes down just a little bit on the sides, but still that lip rising above the tempered glass screen protector, which is really, really good to see. Setting down on a flat surface is a little bit rough, you're good to go. Now, if you're sporting that Ringke tempered glass screen protector, the surface can be a little bit on the rougher side, but you're going to end up scratching up that tempered glass screen protector. But that's what it's there for, right? Yeah, that is nice. Now, right in here, it's very hard to see, but it recedes just a little bit to expose the combo earpiece and speaker. Okay. All right, let's go back out. Corner protection. Got some little air pockets on the inside corners of the Fusion matte clear case here. Yeah, that's nice. Definitely not going to see any fingerprints back there. You can still see the G for Google. So yeah, a lot of corner protection to absorb shock to help cushion a drop if you were to drop your Google Pixel 8 Pro sporting this case. Very nice. Very, very nice. Now these cases aren't super minimalistic and they're not super bulky either. They're right in between. They're perfect for those of you that need the protection, but you don't want too much. And you want to see the color of your smartphone. That Blue Bay, that looks great with that matte finish on the back of the case. The clear area up here. The camera bar. Yeah, that looks really, really nice. All right, let's test out wireless charging. Bam, just like that. Now, all the information to purchase this case will be down below in the description area. And with that, God bless you all. Peace. I'm out. Once again, huge shout out, Ringke.